CompTIA ITF Plus Complete Training Course. Exam Objective 6.6, Explain common uses of encryption. Data at rest. Imagine a calm, serene lake with the sun setting in the background. The stillness of the water is reminiscent of data at rest in the world of information technology. Simply put, data at rest refers to data stored on devices like computers or servers, not actively being used or transmitted. More specifically, it is the files and documents that sit quietly on your hard drive. However, this stillness doesn't guarantee safety. That's where encryption comes in. The first type of data at rest encryption we will discuss is file-level encryption. Additionally referred to as file-based encryption or file folder encryption, this method is distinct in its approach to data protection. Instead of encrypting an entire storage medium or device, file-level encryption zeroes in on individual files or directories, encrypting them directly through the file system. This granularity offers a unique advantage. It provides each user with the autonomy to decide which specific files or folders they wish to encrypt. By allowing each user to encrypt their own files or folders, it ensures that even if someone else has access to the storage medium, they cannot decipher the encrypted content without the appropriate decryption key. Moreover, this method establishes controls against potential misuse by privileged users or system administrators. In many IT environments, administrators have overarching access to systems and data. However, with file-level encryption, even they cannot access the encrypted content without the user's decryption key. This decentralization of encryption power not only enhances data security but also fosters a sense of ownership and responsibility among users regarding their data's safety. While file-level encryption focuses on safeguarding specific files or directories, disk-level encryption takes a more comprehensive approach. Think of disk-level encryption as a protective shield that encompasses the entirety of a storage device, such as a computer's hard drive or an external storage disk. When we talk about protecting everything on your computer, disk-level encryption is the go-to solution. Now, let's delve deeper into a real-world scenario: the theft of a laptop. Laptops, given their portability, are prime targets for theft. When a laptop is stolen, the thief isn't just after the hardware, the real treasure often lies in the data stored within. This could be personal photos, sensitive documents, financial information, or even proprietary business data. Without encryption, a savvy thief could potentially extract this data directly from the hard drive, leading to breaches of privacy or even financial loss. However, with disk-level encryption activated, the entire contents of the hard drive is rendered unreadable without the correct decryption key. Even if the thief removes the hard drive and tries to access it using another device, the data remains encrypted and inaccessible. In short, disk-level encryption transforms your computer into a digital fortress. Even in the unfortunate event of theft, the data within remains shielded, ensuring that your personal and professional information stays confidential and secure. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more great content.